Why is health insurance so crucial for students in the USA? Well, the answer is simple. Health insurance plays a pivotal role in safeguarding students from unexpected medical expenses and ensuring they have access to necessary healthcare services while they are busy shaping their future. Now, on to the heart of the matter. What are the different health insurance options available for students in the USA? The options are varied and tailored to meet the diverse needs of students. First up are the university-sponsored health plans. Designed with students in mind, these plans are often offered by colleges and universities at competitive rates. The cost of these plans is typically rolled into the student's tuition and fees, making it an easy, seamless option. Next, there's the option to stay on a parent's or guardian's plan. If you're under 26 and your parents' or guardian's health insurance plan covers dependents, this could be a cost-effective way to get comprehensive coverage. Then there are the marketplace plans. If university-sponsored plans or coverage through parents aren't viable options, students can purchase health insurance through the health insurance marketplace. Remember, open enrollment for these plans usually happens once a year, but special enrollment periods may be available for those who qualify due to specific life events. Medicaid is another option for some students. This state and federal program provides low-cost or even free health insurance, depending on income and the state of residence. Bear in mind that eligibility requirements vary by state. Short-term health plans are also available. These plans offer coverage for a limited duration, often a few months to a year. They may be a good fit for international students or those in a transitional phase. For international students, there's international student health insurance. Many colleges and universities offer plans that meet the specific criteria required for international students. Last but not least, there's COBRA. If you had coverage under an employer-sponsored plan before enrolling in school, you might be eligible to continue your previous insurance for a limited time through COBRA. Choosing health insurance is a critical task, and it's important to carefully review and compare the options. Consider factors like the cost of premiums, deductibles, co-pays, the network of healthcare providers, and the coverage provided for specific services. Also, make sure you're aware of the enrollment periods and any specific requirements of the plan you choose. Health insurance can provide peace of mind and financial protection against unforeseen medical expenses, so it's well worth the effort to find the right plan for your needs as you pursue your education in the USA.